Well, we are talking about healthy cooking, Ben. So many of us make new resolutions when we hit the new year that we want to cook healthier, but we also just want to get in the kitchen more often. It is hard, though, so we have meals that will only take you about 10 minutes to get ready. They are delicious, but they are also nutritious. So we've got food expert Nicole Gonsalves here joining us. Thanks so much for being here.
Oh, thanks, Kelsey. I'm so excited. One of the #1 complaints I get is that healthy cooking takes too long, so I'm gonna prove everyone wrong today.
Okay.
So I have 3 10-minute dinners also cooked in one easy pot. So first one here, we have our creamy coconut mushroom chicken.
Which smells amazing, you guys. It seriously does.
And it has a beautiful golden color from turmeric. I already have some chicken and mushrooms here.
Okay.
We're going to turn this up just a little bit. So if you wanna I'm gonna get you to do some cooking today.
Yeah, oh, I'd love to.
So I have some fresh baby spinach.
Amazing.
Cooks down really easy. We're just gonna add that in.
Okay, Nicole, can I ask you what kind of mushrooms you got in here?
Shiitake, but you can really use whatever you have at home. That's the great thing about all 3 of these recipes. They're really easy to customize and substitute. And then we have some coconut milk, which is gonna make everything super creamy, and it's gonna kind of wake up that turmeric that's already in there.
Okay, do I just dump this in?
Yeah, throw it all in.
And is this what you get in a can?
Yeah, so a lot of these too are pantry or like fridge staples that you probably already have at home. Nothing's complicated or anything that you haven't heard of before.
Okay.
So you're just gonna kind of mix that together.
Okay.
And you're gonna, hear it sizzling, and it's just gonna all melt. I like using baby spinach because it wilts down really quickly.
It really does. I mean, it looks like aggressive right now if you've never cooked with spinach before, but this won't look as
In
intense.
1 minute, it's gonna it's gonna look like this. So, serve it as is or on top of basmati rice. You can put a little bit of fresh parsley on it.
I'm gonna try it.
And it's ready to go. Yeah, there's a fork there. Go ahead, dig in.
This smells so good. This was the one that I could smell coming right down the hallway.
Yeah.
Just because it's so fragrant with the
turmeric,
turmeric, right?
Yeah, and it just looks really pretty too. I like to eat with my eyes and get a lot of vibrant colors in there.
I've never had a shiitake mushroom before. They got a good taste.
Yeah, that one is fresh from the farm, actually. So next up here, we have a 3-bean turkey chili.
Cool.
When I told my boyfriend, Matt, that I was gonna make chili in 10 minutes, he thought I was crazy, but I promise this was not slow cooked. I just have some ground up turkey in there. You can use, you could even do tofu, ground up tofu if you wanted, chicken, whatever you want. It cooks up really quick. And then to that, we have, I like to, it kind of thickens it up a bit, some refried beans. That's like the secret too. So I'm gonna add some of that in there.
I've never thought to do refried beans.
It's like my little chili secret. I do it as well when I'm doing like a slow cooker one. So this is the 3 beans. So we have the pinto beans, which is the refried. And then we have black beans.
Okay, cool.
We have red kidney beans.
And you've got some spice on this turkey too, eh?
Yeah, so another trick to when you're cooking in a short period of time, use those spices. I have some chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, which gives it some depth and flavor.
Yeah.
And then we also have some diced tomatoes. These are stewed tomatoes that have some seasoning on them.
Okay, cool.
So it just adds more flavor. So we're just gonna mix that up.
Saves time, like you said, when so many of these cans that have the seasoning in already, and then you don't have to really stress about adding all that.
And everything's already cooked. Like the tomatoes, the beans are already cooked. You're really just warming it up with the spices. And then I have it to the left of you there, already plated. You can eat it straight as is. You could mix quinoa and stuff, but it's really hearty. I have some yogurt on top. You can do coconut yogurt, Greek yogurt, whatever you want. A little bit of green onion.
And
it tastes like it was cooking all day.
It really does. It's the refried beans.
I know, yeah, it gets all creamy and thick. It's delicious.
I love that. Okay.
So last but not least, are you good at cracking eggs? Okay, we're gonna do it together. So last but not least, I have a shrimp fried cauliflower rice. So, rice itself takes a little bit longer to cook. So not only is cauliflower rice low carb, but it's super quick to fry up. So I already have shrimp in here, some frozen veggies, super easy. I'm gonna make a little well in the middle here. And we're gonna crack together.
And for anyone who's never done cauliflower rice before, you're really just shredding cauliflower.
Yeah, you can now buy it in the grocery stores, which is really convenient. Yeah. And usually you wanna put a little salt and pepper, but it already has seasoning in it. And I'm just gonna scramble it up.
Do you want all 4 eggs, or are you good with 2?
No, 2's fine, yeah. And then you're just gonna really toss that in, and it's gonna cook up. You can smell it. This has Chinese five spice, which is like such a little hidden gem when it comes to Asian-inspired dishes. And you have it there. I just topped it with some toasted sesame seeds and green onion.
Green onion.
And you're ready to go. So this is quicker than ordering in takeout. It's low carb. It's great for after the holidays.
And it's chock full of veggies.
Exactly.
You would not know this isn't rice.
I know.
Seriously, it's the egg that pulls it together.
Yeah, it kind of just makes it like sticky, and it gives it that nice fried taste.
These are really good, Nicole. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I think you definitely can safely say that these are healthy, they are easy, and they're fast.
Exactly.
Love it. Okay, so if you are sitting at home salivating, as you should be, these recipes will be on our website right after the show, yourmorning.ca. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you killed it.